Look younger and feel better? Well, guess what? The secret remedy may be in your fridge. Today I'm talking about the anti-aging super citrus lemons. They're all around us today. Joining me is dietitian, Natural Health Magazine, Ashley Koff, and Kathy from our audience. Welcome, Kathy. Hi. Now, the first reason why lemons are an anti-ager is, let's spin it, it reduces stress, which is a big problem for a lot of you, isn't it? You know, we've talked about stress a lot, but this is a solution that absolutely has been shown to work. Talk to me about stress in your life.
My main one is probably time management.
Not unique at all. How do you cope with it?
I like to sit out on my back porch and with a cup of coffee and just relax.
And you're from North Texas?
I'm from North Texas.
Yeah, you can do that in North Texas. You can tell. All right. So Ashley, talk to us a little bit about lemons and how they help with stress.
Yeah, and actually the peel of the lemon has a very potent oil that is actually going to help to reduce stress. They actually will pump it through, in Japan, they pump it through the air system, and so there's less stress at work. So you can do that at home very, very easily. What we've done here is you would just take the lemon, and we'll go ahead and get the zest on there. We take the lemon, and we'll add it into, this is just olive oil, very easy. And take it and put it in here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just take a little bit of that oil. You now have an essential oil. You drop it in there. If you have a humidifier, you can also do that, but super easy to put it in a spray bottle. And
are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here he goes.
And normally it would spray.
Normally it would spray.
That reduces the stress.
All right, pretend here. You know what? Just forget that. Spray. Smell
it.
It's pretty cool. I trust the honesty of my viewers. Just tell me, honestly, would you use this in your house?
Yes.
You would?
Yes.
Okay, reason number 2 that lemons are such a great anti-ager is because they lower cholesterol. Come on over here. Let's talk about this. Kathy, how's your cholesterol?
It is good, because I go to the doctor on a regular basis. I don't really know what my numbers are, but I know they're normal.
Well, I'm proud of you for going to your doctor. You know how much money is in your bank account, hopefully. You should know your lousy LDL cholesterol number, right? That's the bad kind of cholesterol in your body. Let's think about this table as the lining of your artery, okay? And these balloons here are the different fats, the LDL cholesterol, the lousy stuff, the fats on top of the artery wall. They're inflammatory. They age you, like a raging fire. So let's take our lemons. You take yours. And what the lemons do is they pop them. There we go. When you do this, what ends up happening after a while is you actually get to clean the wall off. So now you've got a space here without any of these inflammatory chemicals. So you can get away with a meal or two that's not perfect. Or if you've got genetic issues, again, take yourself back in the right direction.
Okay.
Reasonable tip?
It is.
And
very.
You can use it, right?
I can, yes.
All right, perfect.
Yes.
Now, Ashley, best tips for use of
let's
lemon.
actually make it work in the diet, right? Because this is really fun, but we want to come over here, and so we can do simple swaps. So instead of dumping on the blue cheese dressing, make a vinaigrette from olive oil and lemon juice. Now, the change in the fat is the dietary discussion that Dr. Oz was talking about, but the lemon juice actually goes into the body, and the first thing we think is lemon, oh my gosh, it's an acid. I bet it's worse for us in terms of inflammation. It's actually a weak acid. It goes into the body, into the lower digestive system, and stimulates an alkalinizing response. That helps to reduce inflammation, helps to actually clear that cholesterol out. So another exchange we can do is get rid of a big, heavy sauce on here and do your chicken with lemon juice. You can add some spices to it and do it that way as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Very simple.
It looks good, too.
Yeah, it's actionable. Again, this is not rocket science, but huge insights, Ashley, and it helps us. Once we get this into our diet, all of a sudden things look better, and everyone's saying, you know what, that small nudge, we can make that happen. Ashley, wonderful advice. Thank you very much. Thanks for coming up to the show.